In this video, we will learn how to use the different date format in Excel sheet. So let's start this Excel sheet. I have here some date. So I'm going to convert this date different way in day, month and year. So let's see how it's done. First select your full date and just copy paste in day, month and year. Then select the first day column. Then right click with the mouse, go to the format cell. In number tab, click on the custom option and here you see remove this data and enter here 1D. When you enter here 1D, here you see in sample showing the 6 means 6 day. Okay, if you enter the double D, is showing the 06 sample. Just click on OK and here you see all days 06 23 09 is showing here. In month, select the month column, right click on the mouse, go to the format cell, click on the custom option, remove this data. I just remove this, and for month enter here the M. When you enter the 1 M showing the 1 here, enter the 2 M 01, enter the 3 M here showing the January, and enter the 4th M here is showing the January full letter. Just click on OK and here you see month. For year, select the year column, right click of the mouse, click on the format cell, go to the custom option, remove this data and enter for year Y. When you enter the Y, here you see the 18 year in this data showing. I enter again the Y, enter again is 2018. It's 4 digit, enter the 4Y. Here you see 2018 showing. Okay, just click on OK and here you go, same as 2018 showing here in a year. So this is a way you can use the date in different format in day, month and year. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.